Yeah, what is the purpose statement of NEGF? I'll simply tell why NEGF is existing. So NEGF is existing to assist USA board in facilitating journal coordination teams and state EGFs to enhance the quality and quantity of graduates and providing them care and equip them to reflect Christ-likeness in all areas of their life, family, work, and ministry, and invest their fullest potential, time, talents, treasure, or open home in building God's kingdom by mentoring final year students and young graduates to serve unreached student communities, the church, and society. So this is the purpose statement of NEGF for which we are working towards it. Secondly, I just want to remind you what is the purpose statement of state EGF. That also we should have a big picture about what NEGF is for which NEGF is existing. Secondly, we should have a big picture or a big clarity about what is the why state EGF is existing. So state EGF is existing to assist state EC. So that is the prime role, assisting the state EC with the guidance of NEGF. So take some advice or guidance from NEGF, and what they are doing, they are going to facilitate RCT, regional or district coordination teams to build up their local EGFs. So local EGFs are different categories. One is recognized EGF, functional EGF, and contact EGF. So whatever it may be, it is the responsibility of the state EGF to build up their local EGFs to be fruitful, to be effective, and equipping USA graduates, either families or committee members or youth senior advisors, whoever it may be, state EGF has to equip them to be like Christ-like servant leaders and focusing unreached strategic centers where there is no USA presence or where there is no USA graduates, and motivating their graduates to migrate or relocate as the Spirit of God guides them to serve USA and church and society in that place. Moreover, state EGF has to guide EU alumni. EU alumni means passed out students of EU students, past EU students, passing out students into the community of Christ-like servant leaders. So they should continue in their faith and they should become a servant leader, and also by choosing God-designed career and excel in it and choosing the right partner to establish and equip Christ-centered families. Just now, our dear brother shared about a USA open home. So equipping Christ-centered families for God's mission, especially to become USA open home, so that they can serve students and they can network with the church, and also they can impact the society. So this is the state EGF, the purpose of state EGF is existing. So third thing, also very important, local EGF also, the reason to exist, why local EGF is existing. So local EGF is there to assist local EU. So we as EGF, we are here to assist our local ICUs by enhancing and enabling its assigned graduate members and also staff members that are there in that local EGF to build and sharpen graduates to be spirit-filled and spirit-empowered Christ-like leaders as resource persons and as a committee for committee roles. They should be a role models to the student leaders. They should be role model to the students in their local place and enlarge their vision for student ministry through qualitative EGF Bible studies. Further, we have local EGF to encourage graduate initiatives and also USA open homes into encourage them to go into new campuses and the neighboring city campuses, and providing them financial support, ministry related support to local EGF. And then they are to support state EGF, state USI, and also national USI. Moreover, local EGFs are to improve the relations with the local churches and provide evangelical responses to the local situations. So we are here, we are assisting the local EU. We are not independent of EGF. So local EGF is existing for local EU. So that should be very clear to all of us. As a graduate, you should have a purpose of an EGF. We should have a purpose of state EGF. And also we should have a purpose of local EGF. So in all areas, we see at the top, we are assisting as an EGF. We are assisting USA board, which is functioning for student ministry. As a state EGF, we are assisting the state EC. And thirdly, we are assisting in the local EGF, we are assisting our local EU.